Hi, and thank you for watching our video on using the Data tab in DealStats, the leading source for complete company transaction data. In this video, we will be taking a look at the Data tab and the features available for sorting through the returned search results. In the Data table grid, the first thing you will notice is that we are able to change the number of results provided per page by using the View drop-down box. If you would like to see how many transactions are currently in your results, we will want to take a look at the upper right corner of the tab where we will see the number of transactions currently being displayed out of how many total transactions were returned in the search. Next to that is the page number we are currently on out of the total number of pages. Assuming we have multiple pages of results, such as in this example, we have the ability to go directly to any page of results by typing in the page number we would like to visit and clicking Go. As you can see, we are now on the 5th page of results. You can also move between pages by clicking on the arrow keys, as well as the double arrow keys if you want to go to either the first page or the last page of your results. Moving down into the actual data table, we see our results from our search in the rows, where the columns indicate the data point being displayed for each row. Each of these data points can be sorted in either ascending or descending order by clicking on the column heading. The arrows next to the heading of the column will then either point up or down to indicate the sort order. If you would like to perform a multi-level sort with the data, please refer to our Sort tab video tutorial. If you would like to remove some of the individual deals from our results, this can be done by unchecking the boxes at the beginning of the row for that specific transaction. This will then remove that transaction data from being calculated in other tabs, such as the Statistics tab and the Insights tab. It will also not be included in any of your Excel downloads or PDF downloads. Another way we can filter our results, if we so choose, is by searching using the column search boxes such as the ones shown here for the SIC, the NAICS, and the target business description. These search boxes will return results that contain any criteria that is placed into them. The results from the column search bar will then recalculate the data in the other tabs. If you would like to remove your unselected transactions from your view, you can utilize the Hide Unselected button located in the top left corner of the tab. If you would like to revisit your unselected transactions, you can press on the same button again where it is now marked as Show Unselected. It is important to mention that regardless if the unselected transactions are hidden or viewable, they will continue to be excluded from any of your summary statistics and downloads. The last feature we will cover in this video is the Transaction Report buttons located on the leftmost column. The icon, as shown here, will open all the transaction reports for each deal in a new tab. We can also open transaction reports for specific deals by clicking on the similar icon which is located at the beginning of the row for that deal, which will also open up in a new tab. This concludes our session on the DealStats Data tab.